Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know that we have completed the simple present tense and simple past tense. So now we are going to discuss about the simple future tense. लेकिन उसके पहले फ्रेंड्स आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें और मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि मेरी वीडियो की हर लेटेस्ट अपडेट आप तक पहुंचती रहे. So let's begin with the simple future tense. The simple future tense is used to talk about things that have not happened yet. Use the simple future tense to talk about an action that will begin and end in the future. So in simple words, the simple future tense is used to refer to events that will happen in the future. The sentence pattern of the simple future tense is shall or will plus main form of verb. Let's check some examples. I will learn English. Jenny will sing a song. Shaurya will go to London tomorrow. Guys, just remember that it doesn't matter if the subject is singular or plural. The formula for the simple future tense doesn't change. Now let's talk about how to get the simple future negative. The formula to make simple future negative is shall or will plus not plus main form of verb or V1. Let's check some examples. She will not come. Rishi will not play with us. Ruchita will not take part in singing competition. Let's talk about how to ask a question in simple future tense. The formula to ask a question in simple future tense is will plus subject plus main form of verb. Let's check some examples. Will James finish his work? Will you go for cycling? Who will come tomorrow? What will you make in dinner? So friends, let's remember that what we have discussed. We use the simple future tense to make predictions or guesses about the future. We use the simple future tense to ask questions about the future. We use the simple future tense to express factual statements about the future. We use the simple future tense to consider future possibilities and conditions. And we use the simple future tense to make commands. So friends, here we have completed simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. If you have any query regarding these topics, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share it, and yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.